everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Likita Argoda. Today I'm here to explain about human kidney. Now let's see the contents of human kidney. Contents. Function of kidney. Formation of urine. In this topic there are 4 subtopics. Filtration, reabsorption, secretion, excretion. And next topic is hormone secretion and blood pressure regulation. Regulation of osmolality. Functions of kidney. The kidneys excrete a variety of waste products produced by metabolism into the urine. The microscopic structural and functional unit of the kidney is the nephron. It processes the blood supplied to it via filtration, reabsorption, secretion, and excretion. The consequences of this progresses in the production of urine. This include the nitrogenous base urea from protein catabolism and uric acid from nucleic acid metabolism. Now let's see the formation of urine. Here comes filtration, first step of formation of urine. Filtration, which takes place at the renal corpuscles, is the process by which cells and large proteins are retained while materials of smaller molecules, weights, are filtered from the blood to make an ultrafiltrate that eventually becomes urine. The adult human kidney generates approximately 180 liters of filtrate a day. A normal range for a 24-hour urine volume collection is 800 to 2000 milliliters per day. The process is also known as hydrostatic filtration due to the hydrostatic pressure excreted on the capillary walls. And the second step is reabsorption. Reabsorption is the transport of molecules from this ultrafiltrate and into the peritubular capillary. It is accomplished via selective receptors on the luminal cell membrane. Water is 55% reabsorbed in proximal tubule. Glucose at normal plasma levels is completely reabsorbed in the proximal tubule. The mechanism for this is the sodium or glucose cotransporter. Plasma level of 350 milligram will fully saturate the transporters and glucose will be lost in the urine. A plasma glucose level of approximately 160 is sufficient to allow glucosuria, which is an important clinical clue to diabetes mellitus. Secretion. Secretion is the reverse of reabsorption. Molecules are transported from the peritubular capillary through the intestinal fluid, then through the renal tubular cell and into the ultrafiltrate. Next, the last step is the excretion. In this, processing of ultrafiltrate is excretion. The ultrafiltrate passes out of the nephron and travels through a tube called the collecting duct, which is part of collecting duct system, and then to the uterus where it is renamed urine. In addition to transporting the ultrafiltrate, the collecting duct also takes part in reabsorption. The next topic is hormone secretion. The kidneys secrete a variety of hormones including erythropoietin, calciferol, and renin. Erythropoietin is released in response to hypoxia in the renal circulation. It stimulates erythropoiesis in the bone marrow. Calciferol, the activated form of vitamin D, promotes intestinal absorption of calcium and the renal reabsorption of phosphate. Renin is an enzyme which regulates angiotensin and aldosterone levels. The next topic is blood pressure regulation. Although the kidney can't directly sense blood, long-term regulation of blood pressure predominantly depends upon the kidney. This primarily occurs through maintenance of the extracellular fluid compartment the size of which depends on plasma sodium concentration. Renin is the first in a series of important chemical messengers that make up the renin-angiotensin system. Changes in renin ultimately alter the output of this system, principally the hormones angiotensin 2 and aldosterone. Each hormone acts via multiple mechanisms, but both increases the kidney's absorption of sodium chloride, thereby expanding the extracellular fluid compartment and raising blood pressure. When renin levels are elevated, the concentration of angiotensin 2 and aldosterone increase, leading to increased sodium chloride reabsorption, expansion of the extracellular fluid compartment, and an increase in blood pressure. Conversely, when renin levels are low, angiotensin 2 and aldosterone levels decrease, contracting the extracellular fluid compartment and decreasing blood pressure. And the last topic is regulation of osmolality. The kidneys help maintaining the water and salt level of the body. Any significant rise in plasma osmolality is detected by hypothalamus, which communicates directly with the posterior pituitary gland. An increase in osmolality causes the gland to secrete antidiuretin hormone, resulting in water reabsorption by the kidney and an increase in urine concentration. The two factors work together to return the plasma osmolality to its normal levels. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.